Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to solve the popular coding interview problem known as jump game. This is often classified as a medium difficulty problem, but with the right approach, it becomes very intuitive. Let's first understand the problem. We are given an integer array called nums. We start at the very first index. The number at each index represents the maximum length we can jump forward from that position. Our goal is simple: determine if it is possible to reach the last index of the array. It is important to understand what the values mean. If you are at an index with the value 2, it means you can jump 1 step or 2 steps forward. However, if you land on an index with a value of 0, you are stuck and cannot move any further from there. Remember, we don't need to find the shortest path, we just need to know if any valid path exists to the end. Let's look at a case where it is possible. Starting at index 0 with value 2, we can jump to index 2. From index 2, which has a value of 1, we can jump to index 3. Finally, from index 3, we can reach the end. Since a path exists, we return true. Now consider this case. Start at index 0 with value 3. No matter where we jump, whether to index 1, 2, or 3, we eventually get forced into index 3. Index 3 has a value of 0. Since we cannot jump over it and we cannot move from it, we can never reach the last index. Here, we return false. We could try every single combination of jumps, but that would be too slow. Instead, let's use a greedy strategy. As we iterate through the array, we only need to keep track of one piece of information, the maximum reachable index so far. Here is how it works. Imagine we are at index 1 and the value is 3. Our current index plus the jump value equals 4. If this is greater than our previous best reach, we update our maximum reach to 4. This single number tells us the boundary of where we can go. Here is the full algorithm. First, initialize a variable called maxReach to 0. Then, loop through each index in the array. Inside the loop, check two things. First, if our current index is greater than our max reach, it means we are stuck and must return false. Second, update the max reach to be the maximum of what it was, or the current index plus the current jump. If at any point max reach covers the last index, return true. Here is the implementation in Python. We define a function can jump that takes the list of numbers. We initialize max reach to 0. We loop using enumerate to get both the index I and the jump value. The key logic is on line 10. We constantly push our max reach boundary forward. If we finish the loop without getting stuck, we return true. Let's trace it with our first example. At index 0, we can reach index 2. We move to index 1. The value is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Since 4 is greater than 2, we update our max reach to 4. Since 4 is the last index, we know we can succeed and we can return true immediately. This solution is optimal. The time complexity is O of n because we pass through the array exactly once. The space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any extra data structures like arrays or hash maps, just a single integer variable. To summarize, use a greedy approach. You don't need to simulate every jump, just track the furthest index you can reach. If you ever find yourself at an index beyond your reach, you know it is impossible. This gives us a very fast and efficient solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.